Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, my lord.
Good morning, my lord.
Can any one of you speak out, please? And they're seeing my mouth.
Good morning, my lord.
Good morning, my lord.
Good morning,
We are
my
hearing
lord.
my lord clearly, sir.
Good morning,
Good
my
morning,
lord.
my lord.
And then I surrender some message in the chat. Did somebody talk out now, for Christ's
Good
sake?
morning, my lord. Yes,
My lord.
Oluwagbemiga. Good morning, my lord.
We are hearing my lord loud and clear from here, sir.
Here we are. You are.
And understand this.
Good morning, my lord.
Okay. We'll work on the point.
The Lord knows what's going on here.
You said we work on it and you are just there.
No,
That's how to work on it. See me see trouble. You have promised them that we'll work on the audio. See, my video is on. My this thing is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
75
75
68
68
095.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
We can hear, my lord.
Okay,
We can
good.
hear my lord clearly.
Thank you very much. I was just about my video and change system.
Good morning, my
All
lord.
right. We are welcome to today's proceedings.
Thank you, my lord.
Is that 31, 2017. 2017. AK 31, 2017, Awe Richard, Adiolua, and 28 others versus White Leon Limited. Appearances.
No.
Appearances.
May it please my lord.
Yes.
Olusegun. May it please my lord. Olusegun Olaiya for the first defendant, White Clone Limited.
Yes. Who appears for the second and third defendants?
Claimants and second defendants.
Who appears for the second and third defendants?
My lord, there's only one defendant. There's only 2 defendants. There's no third
Hey,
defendant.
but you said you appear for the first defendant. Who appears
Yes,
for
sir,
the
I appear
second
for the first
defendant? Who?
The person that appears for the second defendant on record is Mr. D.A. Abdul Kadri.
Abdul Kadir. Abdul Kadir.
Yes, that's the lawyer that appears for the second defendant.
Yes.
But I'm not sure he's on this call, sir.
Your volume is very low. I don't know whether the problem is here. What about Oyolola?
Can you hear me, my lord?
Eh?
Oyolola is not here, sir.
Excuse me.
Can you hear me, my lord?
This volume cannot be increased. This one to full, but this one is not full. And this is the input. That's the volume coming in. Oyolola is not online. Olaya.
It appears so, my lord.
Okay. All right. Yes, let me hear you. You confirm all the addresses. What about the second defendant?
Yes, my lord. My lord, we received hearing notice from the court registrar last week informing us that the matter has been fixed for adoption of final addresses.
Yes, are you ready?
And I want to also believe that the same notice.
Are you ready?
Yes, my lord. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready, sir. But I don't know if, because I've not received the second defendant's final written address. But I'm ready, sir.
He has not filed. He has not filed.
I filed first.
The second defendant has not filed.
Okay, sir.
So are you ready to adopt, or you would, for the benefit of that, give them another date? Would you rather take one more adjournment, or you want to adopt?
Sorry, my lord.
What do you want?
Well, my lord, ordinarily I would have been ready to proceed to adopt, but the claimants filed their final written address out of time. They filed an application to regularize, to which I wanted to file a reply on point of law, my lord. I tried filing at the registry earlier this week, and I was told that I'm supposed to pay penalty for late filing. And I'm wondering, the claimant is out of time. I shouldn't pay penalty. So that has been the back and forth I've been having with the registry. But I intend to file a reply on point of law to the claimant's final address.
You see, the problem with those lawyers is we like to talk so much grammar. the simple question is, are you ready to proceed? No, I still need to file a reply. Would that not suffice instead of all these explanations?
No, I'm not ready, sir. I want to file a reply on point of law to the claimant's final address.
Okay.
In January.
Top of the main.
February.
Case adjourned to 19th February 2024 for adoption of final written addresses.
As the
Claimant
court,
and second defendant counsels to be served hearing notices.
as the court pleases.
Next.
As the court pleases. I'm not for my lord.
Chisom Ogochukwu Ezenwanyi and the Federal University of Oye Ekiti. And that is ABJ 299/2018. It was not given our suit number for transfer case. Yes. Have counsels ever appeared? NTE Victoria. Hmm? Hello? But it's like they can hear me. Woodford, can you hear me?
Yes, my lord. I can hear my lord perfectly.
The others have muted their microphone. I don't know what to say to them. And I've called a matter, nobody is responding.
But my lord, even when the microphone is muted, they should hear my lord. But
I think so. But nobody is just responding as if.
My lord, that's not our case, my lord.
But anyway, it's okay. I'll call the next matter.
I am waiting for my own case.
All right.
Yes, sir.
AK 2019. AK 2019. Mrs. Olufimilayo. Adefefa. Ola Jogba. And Basewater Media Limited. Any counsel?
Good morning, Your Lordship.
Good morning.
I am A.A. Sholagbade. I appear for the applicant, sir. A.A. Sholagbade. Sholagbade spells Solagbade, sir. A.A. Sholagbade. I appear for the judgment creditor applicant.
Yes, who appears for the respondent?
No appearance for the respondent. It's a motion ex parte in the Gandishi proceeding, sir. It's a motion ex parte in the Gandishi proceedings.
Okay. Yes.
The business of the day is to argue the application that was filed on the 24th of October, 2023, sir.
Yes, you have.
A motion ex parte. It's a motion ex parte seeking a garnishi order on the side. It was filed
Dated.
on 24th October 2023, sir. 24th, dated and filed 24th October 2023. Dated and filed 24th October 2023, sir.
All right. Let me.
As the court pleases. With the kind permission of the court, I seek to move in terms of the motion, sir.
Just a
It's
moment.
ex parte. All right, sir.
Somebody's music is playing. Somebody's music is playing. Please switch off your music.
Talking.
Okay, move your motion.
As the court pleases. My lord, I move in terms of the motion ex parte dated and filed 24th October 2023 and urge this honorable court to grant the reliefs sought in the motion.
674.
667.32, that's 674,667 naira 32 kobo, sir.
Yeah, anything.
Zero two four four. Eh? 30. Yes, nice. Yes. Yes. Okay, second one. So let's start the next one now. Today is what? Plus 14. Plus 14, 17 plus 14. Huh? This is the ruling of the court. This is the ruling of the court. Application is granted as prayed. 1. A garnishi order nisi is hereby granted, attaching the sum of 674,667 naira 32 kobo from the judgment debtor account number 0244309892 with Guarantee Trust Bank. That's the first garnishi. And the judgment debtor account number 0043991498 with the second garnishi, Sterling Bank. 2. The first and second garnishi are to file a statement of accounts of these accounts within 14 days. The return date shall be 5th February 2024 for the garnishis to show cause. The order is to be served on the garnishis and the judgment debtor.
As a court
pleases.
I don't know whether the counsel who made the application is still online.
I'm still online, Your Lordship, sir. As the court
Okay,
pleases.
so when I said this is the ruling, you kept quiet.
As the court pleases, Your Lordship, sir. I'm
That's
following, sir. As the court pleases.
When I finished writing and I said this is the ruling, for us to show that
Yes,
we
Your
are
Lordship.
together, you are supposed to respond.
I responded, actually. My voice was buried in the midst of the other voices echoing as Your Lordship pleases, sir. I responded.
Okay.
I'm grateful, sir.
MP01, Mr. Babatunde and Wema Bank PLC. Appearance?
Your Lordship, S.A. is my name, sir.
S.A.
I appear for the claimants. S.A. Olayemi.
Yes, who appears for the defendant?
I appear for the claimant, sir.
in respect
Who
to the
appears?
court, L.E. Udofort for the defendant.
Okay. You are in the same office with P.A. Amadi?
Yes, Your Lordship.
P.A. Amadi is in your office. Okay. Yes, Olayemi.
Yes, my lord, this, the case is slated for further cross-examination of the defendant's witness, sir.
Yes, have you paid the cost of 20,000 naira awarded last time?
Yes, my lord, we paid.
Okay.
We have paid.
Do you confirm that?
My lord, he has paid the cost, sir.
All right. Yes, Olayemi, are you ready for the cross-examination?
Yes, my lord. We are ready, sir.
Udafort.
My lord, we are ready. Only that my witness is in a different location. I want to believe he's still in the
That
court.
is even better because part of the fear is that if he is with you, you could be coaching him. So it is even better that he is on a different location.
There's a lot of places.
Dangerous. He may not respond as he should. Right now, I do not know if he's still online. Mr. Matamisi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Who?
My name is Adebayo Matomisi, your lordship.
Adebayo who?
Matomisi, M-A-T-A-N-M-I-S-I, Matomisi.
He testified as
DW1, my lord.
okay, let's Olayemi, let's continue with the
Yes.
but I didn't see this witness. We heard his voice without seeing him.
I've not seen my dad, sir.
Matomisi, can you speak out now?
Yes, I said my name is Adebayo Matomisi, sir, standing as a witness for Wema Bank, sir.
Yes, but we can't see you.
Yes, I've on my video, sir. You should be able to see me now, sir.
Okay, are you using Infinix S5?
Yes, Infinix S5, yes.
You are driving?
Yes, I'm a bit indisposed. I told the lawyer yesterday. I went to the hospital to assess treatments.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But you are stable now because we won't be part of you driving and cross-examining you.
No, I'm not driving. I'm not.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
so
sir.
you saw an oath on the last adjourned date, which is 19th October 2022. That was the day you testified. You are still on that oath to say the truth and nothing but the truth.
All right, your lordship, sir.
So may God help you.
Amen.
Let's continue, counsel.
Yes, my lord. Mr. Matami?
Yes, I would do, sir.
Hello, Mr. Matami. You remember you are at your notes?
Just be responding, please, so that we know we are together.
You are still on note, you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there's what you call human capital management in your bank. Human capital management.
Yes.
Human management policy. That is what you call that.
Yes.
And the rule that a staff can only be suspended. My lord?
Human what?
Human capital management policy. Human capital management policy. Human capital management policy.
In the bank.
In the bank.
Yes, they have. Yes.
And the rules guiding the suspension of a staff in your bank is that the suspension shall not be more than 6 months. Am I right?
Yes.
Capital management.
Let's go on.
The claimant was suspended on the 19th February 2016. Was purportedly suspended on the 19th February 2016. And what followed? I mean, you agree with me?
I agree with you, but there is a clause to the human capital policy just mentioned down.
What I'm just asking, witness, please.
The claimant was suspended on what date?
On 19th February 2016.
Is that correct, witness?
Is that correct? That was the email, my lord?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he said yes.
Yes. And on that same day, at 2:10 p.m., as you have earlier told the court, his email was deactivated at 2 o'clock, 10 minutes after 2 o'clock on that day. Am I right? You have earlier told the court.
That will be best answered by the human capital. I am not aware the email was deactivated.
No, he said you had told the court. Did you tell the court so?
No, I've not told the court.
Okay.
That the email was deactivated.
Yeah.
I only told the court the staff was suspended.
Yes, he said he didn't tell the court so. Let's go on.
But you told the court that once a staff is going on leave, his email will be deactivated. That's what you told the court. Am I right?
That is on leave. If you are going on leave, yes, that is automatic.
Yes, now. Just
the case of the complainant wasn't a
Yes, that's what I'm coming to that. Don't worry yourself. I'm coming to that.
All right, let's go on.
So by that statement of yours that when the staff is going on leave, his email will be deactivated. You had earlier told this court that at 2:10 p.m., which was a Friday, the claimant's email was deactivated, which I showed you on the exhibit.
Talk, please, witness.
Where is it?
The staff was suspended, but I never told you the email was deactivated. What I told you was that the human capital is in the best position, because I wouldn't know as a manager of a branch if a staff email was deactivated or not. So it is the human capital that will know whether the staff email was deactivated.
Witness,
Yes, sir.
you have answered.
Okay.
Let's proceed. Let's proceed, Olayemi. Olayemi. Like his network got bad. Udofort.
Yes, my lord.
It's like his network got so bad, he has even
Exited.
it appears so because he disappeared from the screen.
My lord, in that case, may we apply
Okay,
that
he is. No, I can see S.A. Olayemi, he's still online, but his video and audio are all off.
My lord, in that case, we apply for stand down.
Hello, my lord.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm getting the witness very, very clear here.
Okay.
And I know he is also getting me very clear.
Yes.
What I told him is that he had earlier told this horrible court that when the staff is going on leave, that staff email will be deactivated. He said yes.
Yes.
And he agreed with me that on the 19th February 2016, the staff, what was a Friday, the last working day, at 2 p.m., the staff's email was deactivated. That's where I am now, sir.
Yes, and he said he never told you so.
Okay. Now,
yes.
I bet you agree that the 19th of February 2016, the leave of the claimant started. Do you agree with that, yes?
19th
of February 2016. That was it's on record. The last working date of his that is preparatory to his leave. His leave was to start on the next Monday of 22.
That would be answered by the human capital. I wouldn't have known when the staff would be going on leave.
Well, my lord, that's an answer.
No, you don't know when he's leaving.
That's an answer. He wouldn't know when the staff will go on leave.
No, it's direct to the.
Yes, the human capital management is in charge of staff welfare.
It was directed to the claimant here. So I'm recording you as I don't know when his leave started. That's what you're saying. You don't know when the leave of the claimant started.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, let's proceed.
Yes.
Olaya, let's proceed.
Yes, my lord. Exhibit witness. Exhibit BGD5, which is before the court, the honorable court, is a letter from the claimant. I'm telling you that you might not have eventual fair response. You see your defense on the oath. The claimant wrote a letter to the defendant on the 12th June 2017.
Press compliment. Don't worry, just the date of the letter. The claimant wrote a letter to the defendant.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my
is
lord.
it the claimant directly or through his counsel?
My lord, the claimant wrote a letter to the defendant.
I said directly or through his counsel?
Yes, through his counsel, my lord.
What date?
That's Exhibit B, GD6.
What date? What date?
6 October, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 October 2019.
All right.
That's Exhibit BGD6 before the court.
Yeah. Ask the question.
And the title of that letter is Termination Appointment of Mr. Babatunde Gbenga Dada. Further formal demand or request for his entitlement and compensation. That was a letter written by the claimant through his counsel to the defendant. Are you aware of that letter?
Yes, I'm aware.
Very good.
You said exhibit what?
Exhibit BGD6, titled Retermination of Appointment of Mr. Babatunde Gbenga Dada. Further demand.
Yes, he's aware. He's aware of that letter. What's the next question? Yes, he's aware.
Up to today, I put it to you that no reply to that letter. Up to today that we are speaking, that I'm cross-examining you. You have not replied that letter. Am I right?
Because the case was still under investigation.
Have you replied the letter? That's the question.
No, sir.
BGD6.
Let's proceed.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. And in that letter, since you are aware of the letter, the claimant puts to you that his entitlement in the defendant bank should be 2,350,266 naira.11 kobo. That was his actual entitlement. That's what the one you calculated was in error. Was it calculated in error? Are you aware of that?
Well, Human Capital will be in the best position to address.
You are not aware. Are you aware? You are not aware.
I'm not aware. I'm not aware.
I'm not aware.
Counsel, we're waiting for you.
Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Yes, still on that same letter, Exhibit BGD6, witness. The claimant had analyzed how he arrived at his own entitlement in that letter.
Counsel,
my lord?
Counsel, if you don't mind, let me ask you.
Okay, sir.
The letter is in evidence before us.
Ask places.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Do we need his understanding of the letter or any affirmation from him about the content of the letter?
Ask please, sir. Ask please, sir.
Thank you.
Ask please, sir.
Right.
Now,
the
witness, when the claimant brought the defendant to court, he also claimed the same amount, both his pleadings and his evidence. Please, are you aware of that?
Yes, I'm aware.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Yes, as an experienced staff of Wema Bank, witness.
Okay.
As an experienced bank of witness, of a defendant bank, you are entitled to two salaries in a month. Mid-month salary and end of month salary. Am I right?
Yes, you're correct.
Yes.
Mid-month salary.
Yes.
And
end of
salary.
month. At the end of month salary.
And you asked the question in reference to him as a staff of the bank.
Yes, as an experienced person, said yes. A staff is entitled to mid-month salary and end of month salary.
Always listen.
Yes, sir.
I said you asked the question in relation to him as
yes,
a staff of the bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, if a staff is entitled to mid-month salary and end of month salary, and you know the claimant you have already told the court is a colleague of yours, he's also entitled to it. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Let's proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, you have referred to human capital management policy that you are aware of it. Are you aware of it? Particularly in respect of the number of months that staff can be suspended. Maybe if I should assist you, paragraph.
Counsel, you have already asked that question.
As places.
He said he's aware of the human resource this thing,
I am
and
aware
that
of
according to
the
his suspension should not be beyond 6 months. He has answered the question.
As places. Let that be all for the witness.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah. Good effort.
No re-examination, my lord.
Yes, is that the case of the defendant?
No, that's the case of the defendant.
Yes, how many days do you want for submission of your final written addresses? You asked for how many days? Yes.
Hello, we asked for 21 days.
And 7 days for reply.
Yes, my lord.
Olayemi, how many days do you ask for?
Lord, we'll be humbly asking for 21 days as well.
18th of March.
Case adjourned to 18th March 2024 for adoption of final written addresses.
As corporates.
As your lordship pleases, sir.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. The next matter is AK 2022. Mr. Ayegun Oluwaseye and registered trustees of Self-Reliance Economic Advancement Program. Yes, hey. It was this same economic reliance something officer saw in Akure. Yes. Oh, Benga Allen, sorry. Commissioner, yes. That's true. Okay. I thought it's the case coming again now. Yes, appearances.
May I please my noble Lord?
Yes.
I.S. Oluwagbemiga.
Yes.
For the claimant, my Lord, Ayegun Oluwaseye.
I.S.
Oluwagbemiga, my Lord.
For the claimant.
For the claimant, Ayegun
Yes.
Oluwaseye.
Defense counsel. Ebuwabi. Defense counsel. No representation for defense counsel.
The defense counsel is muted, my Lord. Is muted.
Is that lawyer Sega? Because I can see him talking. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Lawyer Sega, unmute your mic. You are talking, but your mic is muted.
My Lord, I have done.
Good.
I'm grateful, Your Lordship.
Yes, thank you.
Can I be heard now, sir?
Yes, announce your appearance.
S.A. Egbuwabi.
S.
Yes, my Lord, may my Lord be pleased. S.A. as in South Africa.
Yes.
Egbuwabi.
Are you with somebody?
For the defendant. Yes, I am with N.W. Isaiah. N.W. Isaiah. N.W. Isaiah.
For the defendant.
For the defendant, my Lord.
Yes, this case is for what today?
Is for continuation of hearing, my Lord, for the cross-examination of the claimant, my Lord.
Okay. Yes, are we ready?
Yes, my Lord. The witness is before.
Yes, my Lord.
For cross-examination of the claimant.
As the copplices, my Lord.
CW1.
PW2, my Lord.
CW2.
Yes, my Lord.
Cannot be PW, can only be CW. P in the High Court, C in the Industrial Court.
As the
Plaintiff
copplices,
in the High Court, claimant in the Industrial Court, isn't it?
As the copplices, as the copplices.
That is
CW.
how we get the coding. Claimant or plaintiff.
As the
then
copplices.
for defendant is always D because it's dependent.
As the copplices.
All right, thank you.
CW2,
Mr. Ayegun Oluwaseye. Isn't it?
This is the latest.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Oluwasheye, where are you?
I'm here, sir, my lord.
Okay. You are with your counsel?
As the court pleases, but my lord, I will excuse the witness, my lord, and the witness will be focused directly to the camera without any interference, my lord.
No, the third one I will manage. Yes. Yes. There are many.
Cross-examination by Ego Wabi. You said you are ready for the cross-examination, right?
Yes, sir. My lord, we
So
are
I'm
ready.
asking counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, you have the witness now. Witness, I remind you
My lord,
of
my
your
lord, we are
oath.
ready, except that.
Witness, remember you were on oath on the 16th March 2023. You are still on that oath. Yes. Eguabi.
My lord, I have quite a number of questions that are much. I wouldn't know if this network can carry that.
Why would you have much questions when you know even number one is cross-examination, number two is via Zoom, number three, you are timed, you have a limited time. So why will you prepare so many questions? Is that fair on you and on all of us with all these three facts, particularly when you know you are timed? So what do you want?
For the justice of the matter.
You want the justice of the matter?
Except my lord insists as we continue, would have preferred a physical trial, my lord.
Please just tell me what you want. Let me have you on record and let the other counsel respond. I have
my lord, I'm
ready
to ask my question. Let the witness listen now.
Okay.
As the court places. Witness, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Do you know Olasumbo Bamigbade, who was a staff of the defendant?
Yes, I know her.
Olasumbo who?
Olasumbo Bamigbade. Bamigbade is Bamigbade.
Yes. Yes, he knows her.
Yes. Do you also know Mr.
Counsel.
Sikiru Adekunle?
Sikiru Adekunle. I don't know him.
Yes. Do you also know him?
No, I don't know him.
Okay.
Sikiru who? Mr. Sikiru who?
Adekunle, my lord. Adekunle.
He doesn't know him.
Yes, my lord, he has answered.
Yes.
Witness. Mrs. Olasumbo Bamigbade never told you you were dismissed. Is that correct?
No, we were not. I was not told. Mrs. Olasumbo Bamigbade, we not for once work together. She was in Ibadan, while I'm in Ondo State, particularly in Owo.
Good.
Hello?
Oh, it's in which state?
Yes. Yes, my lord, I have
Oh,
heard him.
which
I wouldn't know
state?
if it's as a record.
Ondo State, my lord. Why about your state?
All right. Let's go on, counsel.
Yes.
You can sever some of the questions so that you ask the vital ones before we ask you to stop. Ask the ones that are more important first.
My lord, I'm trying to do.
All right, thank you.
Yes, you said in paragraph 14 and 18 of your statement on oath that you signed some document which occasioned the fraud that was alleged.
Hello?
Do you confirm that, sir? Yes. Do you
I didn't hear you.
confirm your paragraph? Yes, I'm repeating it now. Do you confirm your paragraph 14 and 18 of your statement on oath accompanying your complaint that you signed documents that occasioned the fraud that was alleged?
No.
Do you confirm
the
that?
document no. The document are signed. I said those documents are signed.
Just a moment. Counsel.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
The paragraph 18, 14, and 18 are before the court. So you don't need to tell him the content. Ask him if he stands by them. That is enough. We are going to look at what is there
as a
in the written address.
As a accomplice.
But when you are giving him your own interpretation, that is where we'll have problem. And you can be sure he doesn't have the document before him.
I apologize, my lord.
But let's know if he stands by what he has to post in paragraph 14 and 18.
My lord, I want him to answer it that way. You can hear that. Do you stand
by
your paragraph 14 and 18?
Yes, I stand by it.
Your answer, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm grateful, my lord.
So what he says there, we now can talk about it in written address, isn't it?
As a copy.
Counsel. Because what he has said there is already there before the court.
It's
and it's for me and you to interpret. It's no longer for him to interpret. But if you want him to interpret and he interprets now, you are bound. Even the court is bound by his own interpretation. But if he doesn't interpret it, then we are applying the general rule of interpretation as we know. So which one do you want? You want him to interpret what he said there?
My lord, no, my lord, my lord, he has rightly answered. I stand by it. I take to that correction. I'm grateful, my lord. Yes. Now, do you confirm that favor 1 and favor 2 were not the only branches of the defendant in Akure? Favor 1 and favor 2 were not the only branches in Akure.
Favor 1 and favor 2 were not the only branches in Akure. The defendants have several branches in Akure.
Why is it that you were so plenty?
The question is simple. Favor 1 and favor 2 were not the only branches. Yes or no, so that we can move on.
Yes.
Those extra explanations may not be safe for you. Just answer the question the way they are asked. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Because if you talk anything that is unfavorable to you, he will insist that we record it, and we have to record it because you have said it, and you are being streamlined. Even the world is hearing you, not just us. The world is listening to you. So please try to restrict yourself to the question asked.
Yes, my lord.
Thank you. All right.
I wouldn't know if your lordship has recorded the answer to favor 1 and favor 2.
Yes.
As a couple.
Favor 1 and favor 2 are not the only branches in Akure.
As the court places. Yes. Now, confirm that those branches also had operational managers that could have signed the same document you signed.
Which those branches? Is it favor 1 and favor 2 or
no, or the other branches that were not
branches?
favor 1 and favor 2? Yes, also had operation managers that could have signed
other branches.
Yes, the branches aside favor 1 and favor 2 had operational managers that could have signed the same document you signed. Do you confirm that?
No, the operation managers doesn't sign. It's only the senior managers that were made signatories. Independent senior managers to their branches were the one that made signatories to sign. For the branches, for other branches, they were entitled to sign. My Lord,
I get you.
Do you hear me?
I heard you very well. The issue is now with counsel. He was talking about operational managers.
Yes. The counsel said
sign. And you say no, operational managers don't sign. Operational managers don't sign the document that you signed, isn't it?
The senior managers were the one that will sign, independent senior managers.
Independent senior managers.
Yes. 2 independent senior managers, my Lord. 2 independent senior managers.
All right, let's go on, counsel.
Yes. Are you saying that there were no other senior managers in Akure that could have signed the document aside you?
Ask him, please, ask him. You had asked him this question, but in relation to operational managers. The man told you operational managers don't sign, only senior independent managers, independent senior managers. So if you want to ask him the same question in relation to senior managers, ask him so.
For every branches.
Wait.
Okay, sir.
Counsel. Your mic is muted. Your mic is muted.
My Lord, I can hear now. It was the network that was bad.
Okay.
I was saying if you want to ask him the same question in relation
I wouldn't know if the witness got my last question.
He got it. He got it.
He got it, yes. I said aside him, did he say there were no other senior manager that could have signed the same documents?
Okay, you are saying senior managers now. What you had said was operational managers. And he said no.
Yes, because he said operational manager. I am now making him to confirm whether there were other senior managers aside him.
Okay, in those other branches.
In those other
branches. Yes.
My Lord.
Yes.
Each branches, they have senior independent managers that were signatories. So there may be 2, 3. That's it.
These other branches also had independent
senior managers.
Senior managers.
Any 2 can sign. Any 2 of the senior managers, independent senior managers,
sign the same document. All right. Counsel, next question.
My Lord, you still dodging my question. My question is whether there were other senior managers in those branches that could have
yes.
signed the same document he signed.
He said yes.
Okay, as the court please. As the court places. My lord, I'm satisfied now. As the court places. Yes. Yes. You said in your evidence that one Mrs. Falakemi told you were dismissed. And that was why you left and did not return to the defendant again. Is that correct?
No. It's not correct, my lord.
You did not say so?
I did not say so. When it happened, when I was
released. Hey, did you say so? I did not say so.
I did not say so. Let my lord record that.
You did not say one Mrs. Falakemi told you were dismissed.
I said she was the one that said I should not resume. That the executive program director, because at that particular point, that particular time, Folakemi Ayola was the operation manager coordinating all the activities of branches in Ondo State.
What she said to you was that, hey, counsel, a witness, I need to write you. She did not tell you were dismissed. She told you should not resume, isn't it? That's what she said.
She said I was dismissed. It was what I said I was dismissed.
But she said you should not resume. But she said you should not resume.
She said I was dismissed from the head office. That was what she said. My lord.
My lord, my network went off. I couldn't get his answer.
He said I was dismissed from the head office.
He said he was dismissed from the head office.
Yes.
That was what she said.
Yes, thank you.
She told you.
Yes, that was dismissed from the head office.
Next question.
My lord, is he confirming that she told him he was dismissed from the head office?
You are the one who is having doubts.
Yes.
You have heard him very well, but I don't know what confirmation
No, my lord, I didn't. The network is bad at my hand. It's very bad.
She said I was dismissed from the head office.
She said, okay,
yes.
As the complices. As the complices. Now, do you know that in respect of the alleged crime, Mrs. Falakemi herself was arrested?
I did not know.
Okay. Yes. Are you set for the next question?
Yes.
I wouldn't know if my
lord is ready. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Counsel, we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you.
I can't hear anything.
And we can hear you. Ask your next question. Continue now. Ask your next question. Counsel. This network problem or intentional problem? I think this network has even gone off. Counsel.
My lord, is the network. I have serious problem with my network.
We are hearing you very loud and clear now. Next question.
Okay, the next question is, you tendered appointment letters, promotion letters. Do you confirm that communications between employees and the defendant were by writing? Do you confirm that?
Witness.
I can't hear you.
He said, do you confirm
Sir.
that, he said, do you confirm that communication between your bank and the employees was by writing?
No, it's not only by writing. We communicate through phone. We communicate through emails. We communicate via through a phone, writing, and email.
Okay. Communication between the bank and its employees was not only by writing.
Not bank. It is. I don't know what. Okay, bank. Okay.
Okay. No, put the defendant.
As the defendant, as the court places.
Yes. I'm carrying over from the last case.
I can see that, Your Lordship. Now, perhaps you didn't get my question clearly, my Lord. My question is, he tendered appointment letters.
Yes.
He tendered promotion letters.
Yes.
What I'm saying is that those officials' communications that have to do with his employment were by writing or not. Does it confirm that? That is what I'm saying.
No, your question is whether he confirmed that communication between the defendant and his employees are by writing.
Confirming that.
And he said, no, it could be by telephone call, it could be by other means, emails and other things, could be by writing. That is not only by writing.
Yes.
So next question. His answer is on record now. Say communication between the defendant and his employees is not only by writing.
Do you know the precise location of your head office in Ilorin?
Yes, I know.
Hello, my Lord.
He knows.
Okay. My Lord, I got his answer. He said he knows the head office.
I know the precise location of our head office in Ilorin. Next question.
Mrs. Folakemi Ayola did not employ you. Is that correct?
Yes, she did not employ me, but she was the representative of the defendant in Ondo State. She is the operation manager of the Ondo State and the virus.
She was not the person who signed the appointment letter. Maybe I should ask you that. She was not the person who signed the appointment letter. Is that correct?
Yes, she was not the one.
Okay, that's okay.
All right, thank you.
My Lord, maybe I should ask my last question.
I thought I heard you said that is all. But ask your last question still. You are still allowed.
Okay, yes. Defendant, was it not kind of the defendant? I mean, witness, sorry, witness. Was it not kind of the defendant that you were not charged to court in respect of the crime?
Question is allowed. Hey, listen. Question is allowed. whether he was supposed to be charged or not, and whatever was the reason, whether it was kindness on the part of the defendant or the bank or the defendant for not charging him, it's not within his competence as a witness to say. Whether it was kind of the defendant or not to have charged him to court. It's not within his competence as a witness to say. That would be an opinion. That would be opinion evidence.
God bless his father.
As your lordship places.
That was your last question, wasn't it?
As your lordship places.
Let us hear you now. Is that all?
My lord, the network is bad and it's skipping. But I heard my lord said that question is not allowed. Is that what my lord said?
Yes. I said it's not allowed because it is opinion evidence you are asking of him. So is that all your questions? Are you through?
My lord, that's all for the witness.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, my lord, that's all for the witness. How many questions?
Let me come. Thank you, my lord. Let me call my counsel. My lord?
Yeah.
Let me call my counsel.
Yeah. Olugbemiga.
My lord.
Any question in the examination?
Kneel, my lord. Kneel, my lord.
And is that the case for the claimant?
As the court pleases, my lord. That is the case for the claimant, my lord.
All right. Defense counsel.
My lord, we shall be. Yes, my lord, we shall be applying for dates for us to open our defense.
Do you apply or you shall be applying? Counsel. We shall be applying for a date for us to open our defense. Counsel.
Yes, my lord, I can hear now.
Do you apply or you shall be applying?
You have to come back to apply.
Yes, so that will give you a date to come back and apply for a date. Isn't it?
No, my lord.
So I will give you
my
a
lord,
date on that
now.
day you come and apply for a date for defense.
My lord, I apply now.
Okay.
As the court places. As the court places. For a date for the defense.
All right.
We have two witnesses.
We'll give you a date.
Yes,
we'll give you a date. Tentatively, it will be physical. But if it won't work out physical, you will get a notice for Zoom.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
As the court pleases. My lord, I couldn't get the date.
8th February.
8.
My lord.
Yeah.
My lord.
Yes.
The date, my lord.
8th February. Is that okay?
As the court pleases, my
8th
lord.
February.
Yes.
My lord, it's not convenient for me, my lord. My lord, 8th February is not convenient for the defense counsel.
All right. Next date.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir. 7th.
What of 7th?
My lord, 7th is also not convenient, sir. 7th, I'm in the Court of Appeal, my lord.
19th.
19th February.
19th February. The Monday. My lord, 19th is convenient.
All right.
19th is convenient.
19th is convenient.
All right. All right.
February 19th.
No.
Case adjourned to 19 February 2024 for defense.
As the complices.
As the complices. 19, 1.
You people Cancel, you are still online. You are still online. Cancel. You are still online. Please. You are still online.
My lord, we got the date. I'm sorry.
I heard some noise. I was reminding you people that you're still online. ABJ 299-2018, Chisom Ogochukwu and Federal University of Oye Ekiti. Any person in court?
Yes, my lord.
Appearances.
Profound rest in the honorable court.
Yes.
I am here, Emmanuel. Ihite is spelled I-H-I-T-E. My humble appearance is for the claimant.
Yes, who?
May it please, my lord?
Yes.
My name is L.A.N.E. I hold the brief of Biodu Ogundele for the defendant, sir.
L-A-N-E.
N.E., my lord. E-N-I.
Yes.
I hold the brief of Biodu Ogundele.
Are you not from the same office?
No, sir.
Yes.
For the defendant, sir.
Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Emmanuel.
For
is seated. Yeah. What is this matter for today?
My lord, can you?
He said that she was the person told him that.
She said she never even told him.
He said that she was the person.
You are talking in court, please. You are talking in court, please.
No, she deposed and she
mute lawyer Sega, please mute your mic. Mute your mic.
Where he said,
mute your mic, please. Mute your mic. Is it there?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, today for report of settlement / hearing, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, at the last adjourned date, my lord, we reached a settlement with the defendant.
Okay.
And on our own part, we filed and we signed the terms of settlement and forwarded to the defendant for them to endorse their own to enable us file and come to court and report to the court. Hello, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Until now, we have not heard from them. There is no response from them. At this point in time, my lord, it appears they are no longer interested in the settlement.
Let's not be hasty.
As the
if you people have reached an agreement, you have even signed the draft and sent to them. Let's not be hasty. particularly that they have a counsel in court. Let's hear the counsel first. Then maybe we can reach some conclusions after hearing the counsel.
Yes. My Lord, even at the time
My Lord, I was informed that learned friend, Mr. Gundele, is sick and traveled for treatment. He is based in Lagos. I am from Ekiti, sir.
Okay.
I was also informed that he had sent the terms of settlement that was sent to him by my learned friend for the claimant.
Okay.
To the university, the defendant. I believe that he is expecting the response of the university back to him so that he can report to my learned friend for the claimant and then we'll report back to the court, sir. If we may be given a little time, I will be able to get back to Mr. Gundele or his office and then to see that those terms of settlement are brought before your lordship for filing.
It's more than 2 years, though.
Pardon me, sir?
So you heard him, counsel?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, actually...
So don't you think we should give them the benefit of doubt?
As the court please, we will take the hint of the Honorable Court. We actually take the hint of the Honorable Court. But my Lord, now we are happy that they are in court today. We are very much happy that they are in court today. At least we are making a headway today.
Yeah.
My Lord, we crave the indulgence of the Honorable Court to make it as an order to them. Let them do.
My learned friend, I think the issues here are not too contentious. I believe it's something that can be resolved amicably. I will get back to Mr. Gundele today and see how this can be facilitated so that his lordship can dispose of it.
Counsel, you should understand his agitation, given the fact that this is a 2018 matter.
I do, sir. I do, sir.
Industrial court, that is such a very long pending matter.
I appreciate that, sir. That's why I said I do not think the issues are contentious. It's something that can be resolved. I will ensure that I communicate.
How long do we take to enable you people sign?
Sometime in February, I believe we should be able to deal with this, sir.
All right.
We should be able to file, sir.
Francis.
20th February.
That is convenient, my lord. I will do my utmost to ensure that we have some positive news for his lordship by the time we come back, sir.
All right.
I'm grateful, my lord. Grateful to Ladek Council too.
This case is adjourned to 20th February 2024 for final report of settlement/hearing.
As the court pleases, my lord. Very grateful, sir. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you.
Grateful, sir.
Thank you, my lord.
You're welcome. Any other matter? All right, we shall all leave the Zoom.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, my lord. Very grateful, my dear.